Hey guys, today we are going to see about configuring extended ACL. First, let's see what is an ACL. ACL stands for Access Control List. Access control, it provides a means to filter packets by allowing a user to permit or deny IP packets from crossing specified interfaces. One of the simplest way of controlling the traffic in and out of a Cisco device is by using access list. These lists are generally composed of a permit or deny action that is configured to affect those packets that are allowed to pass or to be dropped. A best example for this access control list is our SERAP login page itself. I mean, during daytime, we are unable to access any other sports sites or streaming and buffer websites, and even sometimes the shopping and the auction websites. So, access control list is created to block this, to block the specific packets of certain categories. For example, sports. See, now I have tried to log in the sports sites, sports, um, shopping, auction, etc. So and it can be easily done by creating an control list. Access control list is of two types: extended access list and standard access list. First, let's see what's an extended access list. Well, these are the two main difference between a standard access list and an extended access list. The to For to invoke an access list, first we want to configure this given topology, which we have already configured in the Cisco packet tracer. Excuse me. And first step is to configure an access control list to permit FTP and ICMP only. That is for the file transfer protocol and the internet control message protocol. And since it's an extended ACL, we are going to give this thing, that is access list space 100, because the 100 to 199 range ensures that it is an extended access list. And then we want to specify deny, permit, or remark. These are used to show which packet alone is to pass, or which are all packet we can easily block and deny after entering into our system. Since we are going to permit only the FTP and ICMP protocols, we are going to give permit, and once we give question mark and enter, these are the protocols which we can block. I mean, now we are going to permit the TCP, which is a transmission control protocol, and so we have give TCP and question mark, and in the place of question mark we can give the network address, that is the host which belongs to that network. I mean, for example, if you see here, it's 164/27. I mean, we are going to give an access control list for this network alone. So this host 172.34.22.34.66 is belongs to the network 34.64. And when we give the question mark means it denotes we want to give the wildcard bits. Wildcard is an inverse of the bits which we have not used, so it will be like since it is our subnet mask, and this will be our wildcard mask. And after we giving the wildcard mask, when we give the question mark and means, it will show any destination not present in that network. Equal means which matches only the specific address. For example, if I want to block the 34.6, if a device which contains 34.67 means EQ 170.22.34.66 means it will block that port number alone or greater than. And host means a single destination host. For example, here it's only a single destination host, so we have given simply host and the host address, IP address of the host. And once again, when we give question mark means it will match only packets with greatest pronoun, and we are going to give EQ because we want to make sure that only this FTP protocol and the ICMP protocol pass through will go to the destination. So we have given EQ and FTP, and we have configured an access control list which allows an FTP protocol to go to the from web server to the destination, and similarly we are giving the same to permit an ICMP protocol. And we to apply the ACL on the correct interface, that is This destination host is connected through the giga internet bit 7/0. So we want to give the interface giga internet bit ethernet 7/0 IP space access group 100 in. I mean, this 100 belongs to the access list. I mean, we can have n number of access lists. For example, instead of 100, if I give 101, I can have 102, 103, and so on. And I can give a specific else, like I want the access list 101 here, and access 102 on somewhere else. So this line denotes that IP access group 100 in this in denotes the traffic which enters into the destination of, such as from server to this destination host. It in means whatever traffic from either here or here, it will just simply check whether if it's a ICMP protocol or an FTP protocol, and will give access only to them. Whereas this PC can send to any traffic to any part of the network. And once we have configured, we have to verify whether we can ping from a PC to server and server to PC and so on. So let's check whether we can successfully ping or not. Here if you see, means I have selected FTP, and I don't, since we are going to select only the ICMP and FTP protocol, let's just simply check them. I will clear this one and add a new one. And we have a successful ping. And this is how extended access control list works. Thank you.